Imagine having one platform where you can create stunning images, generate cinematic videos, produce voiceovers, and access dozens of AI models, all in one place. Instead of juggling 5 or 6 different tools, everything is available inside a single subscription. That's the promise behind Magnific, replacing all those scattered AI apps with one simple, unified platform. Now, a lot of all-in-one tools sound amazing on paper, but once you actually start using them, they often feel clunky. So over the past few months, I've been exploring a platform that's trying to take a very different approach, a platform called Magnific. And if that name sounds unfamiliar, there's a reason for that, because Magnific is actually the next evolution of what many creators previously knew as Freepik. But this isn't just a logo change or a simple rebrand. The goal is much bigger. The idea is to bring AI creation, creative assets, and professional workflows together inside a single platform designed for modern creators. So in this video, I want to take a hands-on look at what has actually changed, explore some of the new capabilities, test it on real creative tasks, and see whether Magnific can genuinely replace parts of the fragmented workflow that many creators still use every day. This is the homepage. There's quite a lot happening here, but the feature I personally use the most is their AI tools. On the right side, you'll also see the stock catalog with music, footage, and other assets. But for now, let's go straight into the AI image generator. This is where the new interface really shines. Now, let's start with image generation. If you want to upload a reference image, you can do that right here. Magnific has also expanded the reference limit to 16 images, which gives you a lot of flexibility when building a concept. Let's try a quick prompt. Black professional racing car on a racetrack at sunset. Cinematic lighting, dramatic reflections on glossy body. And here's something really helpful. If you click AI prompt, Magnific automatically refines what you wrote. Now, if we scroll down here, you'll see a long list of image models available inside Magnific. So, I have selected GPT Image 2. I'm going to generate this in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's go ahead and create our first image. All right, the image is ready. The image excels at translating the prompt into a visually compelling cinematic scene. Now let's move into pure video generation. Head over to the video section in the panel and click on Video Generator. This time, no image reference. We're going straight from text to video. Here's the prompt I'm using. A terrified 20-year-old boy in a dirty gray hoodie sprints left to right through a devastated suburban street. Behind him, exactly 2 quadruped alien creatures with pale gray-green chitin skin and spider-like limbs emerge from smoke and rapidly gain ground. Notice how specific this is. The direction of movement, the number of creatures. Now select your model. Freepik gives you access to all the top video generation models used globally right now. But for this shot, I'm going with C-Dance 2.0. It handles motion, creature physics, and cinematic movement better than most at this stage. Set your aspect ratio, duration, and hit generate. A chase sequence, suburban destruction in the background, the creatures gaining ground. This is the kind of shot that would cost thousands to produce even 5 years ago, and we just generated it with a single prompt. Now, if you look at the bottom left, there's also a voice generator section, and this is where things get really interesting. Magnific includes some of the best AI voice models available. You get 11 Labs V3 and V2, along with Gemini 2.5 Pro. Now, if you click over here on speaker, you can see a huge library of voices. That means you can generate voiceovers in multiple languages, change accents, select gender, and even search voices based on the use cases. Let me show you a few examples.
You are never just existing in this world, you are unfolding into it. Every breath you take is a silent agreement with time to keep moving forward, even when you don't understand where it leads.
Nothing in you is truly still. Even silence has movement underneath it. Thoughts rise, dissolve, return again in different shapes.
Everything you call yours is only borrowed for a moment. Time doesn't give ownership, only experience. People, places, versions of yourself, they all pass through you like light through glass, leaving only traces of who you were.
One day, everything you worry about will lose its weight. Not because it was solved, but because you will no longer be the same person carrying it. You may finally understand you were never broken, only becoming.
You're not just generating AI content, you also get access to premium stock footage, music, and sound effects in the same workspace. Everything comes with a commercial license, meaning your projects are ready for distribution right away. Everything is centralized, secure, and production-ready. Another feature I really like is Spaces. You can start a new project here from scratch. Right away, you'll notice a collection of ready-made templates. These are organized by use case: ads, filmmaking, social media, branding. There's a lot here you can work with straight out of the box. But today, we're building from scratch. So click New Space. This is where the workflow lives, a blank canvas, and on the right, you have a panel to add different types of nodes. Think of nodes as building blocks. Each one does a specific job. I'll start with an image generator node. Click to add it, and then paste in the prompt. Mine is describing a male content creator, mid-30s, sitting in a car, holding a drink, UGC selfie style. Now, Magnific gives you access to virtually every major image model available globally. I'm going with Nano Banana 2 for this one. Select your aspect ratio and hit Generate. Give it about a minute. And here it is, a clean, photorealistic image, exactly the reference frame I need. Now I'll add a video generator node. Drag a connection from the image output directly into this node. That tells the video model to use this image as its visual anchor. Then paste the animation prompt, describing how the character should move. Slight head movement, talking to camera, natural hand gestures, handheld feel. For the video model, I'm selecting C-Dance 2.0. Set your duration, then hit Run. Now watch this.
All right, got my daily dose of creator fuel, ready to hit the road.
Same character, same framing, but now it's alive, moving exactly the way a real UGC ad would look. And this is the real power of Spaces. You can build entire content pipelines here without ever leaving the canvas. Let me show you another example, and this one's really useful if you're doing UGC-style content. From the Templates section, I'm selecting this one. It's called Replace Subject in UGC Ads, and opening it directly as a space. Now, before we start, you'll notice this template has some optional sections. I'm going to delete those to keep the workflow clean. But just know, if you ever need to generate variations in bulk, those nodes are there for that. All right, so the goal here is simple. Replace the character in this video ad with a completely new person. No reshooting, no actors, just AI. First, I'll add an image generation node. I'm pasting in my prompt, a young male, UGC style, casual look. For the model, I'm using GPT Image 2. It handles realistic portraits really well. Set the aspect ratio to UGC format, that's portrait, vertical, and hit Generate. And here he is, exactly what I wanted. Drag in the new male image and connect its output to the image replacement node. That's the one in the middle that does the actual face and body swap. Let it run. There's your swapped character. Clean replacement, same pose, same lighting, same cup, just a different person. The video node is already connected on the right side, so now I'll select Cling Motion Control for the animation. Hit Run Space and let it process. Here's the final result. And just to compare, here's the original video. Same scene, same product, same movement, but the character is completely swapped. That's the power of this workflow.
Hang on, this is seriously good. It from Milky Mood Che, and guess what? Okay, hang on, this is seriously good. It from Milky Mood Che, and guess what? It's completely vegan.
Now, one more thing. If you also want to replace the voice, just add a voice generation node. Set your language, paste your script, or let it generate, and run it. So whether you're a solo creator or managing a team, Magnific gives you freedom to scale without limits. It's trusted by over 1 million creators, with tools designed for professionals and enterprises alike. So if you're looking to create videos faster, smarter, and with fewer tools, Magnific is definitely worth checking out. You can sign up to any plan by using the link in the description. That's it for today's video. Head over to Magnific and start creating without limits.